Good morning, you guys. As you can see, I'm in my nail room. I have my sanitizing wipes, which means I'm gonna do some cleaning today. So today's Sunday. I've had a nice long weekend and my week starts again tomorrow with clients. So basically I just want to do a good kind of deep clean in the studio, clean the desk, organize a couple of things. I have some cute little fall decorations that I want to put up. So I thought I would show you guys how I do that. I really enjoy watching these kinds of videos on YouTube, like clean with me, organize with me, that kind of stuff. So let me know in the comments if you enjoy these types of videos. So I guess I can talk about a little bit about how I sanitize and clean after every client. So I use these the most. I'm so sorry if you can hear that upstairs. We are still renovating and there's not really anything I can do about it. Anyways, so I use these Preempt wipes, one-step surface cleaner and disinfectant. This is what they look like, Preempt wipes. This is what I use to pretty much wipe everything down. Is something leaking? Where is that coming from? What is leaking? Is it leaking out of here? I think it... What's going on? So as I said, I use these wipes for everything, so I'll show you kind of what I wipe down. And the only reason I'm doing this now is because on Friday I did not do all of this after my last client left because she left at like 8 p.m. and I was like, I'm going to bed and I will deal with this on Sunday when I have to get ready for Monday. And then I also wipe down everything over here. Hi. And so I have a little square terminal that I use for all my payments, so I wipe that down every time. The whole desktop. Just hit this nail on my drawers as I was wiping them, and about half of the nail is now lifting, and it's see-through, so I can see that it's lifting. You guys, I've been doing so much more with my hands in general. I feel like I should just shorten my nails. Like, my natural nails are quite long now, so I feel like I should just take them off, like my artificial nails off, and just do like Jimmy Gel over them. I've been using Jimmy Gel for quite a long time actually. I got it pretty much right when it came out at the beginning of quarantine here, which was in probably like end of March. And I basically had nothing on my nails, and because again we were doing a whole bunch of stuff around the house, we painted the entire basement. I painted my bedroom. I bought a whole bunch of new furniture that we had to build, like IKEA furniture, and it was just better to have short nails because I was doing so much stuff with them. And I just put the Jimmy Gel over it, let them grow, and they honestly grew to like just a little bit less than this length. And I was very pleasantly surprised. I'm very happy with Jimmy Gel so far. And I just finished my first bottle. This bottle is pretty much empty, can't get a whole lot more out of it. So I did buy a second one, and basically what I'm going to do is just kind of pour what's left of this one into this one so that I'm not wasting any product. I've never done this before. I know a lot of people do this with like top coats and stuff, so I'm not entirely sure if this will work or if it'll be too thick, but let's give it a try. Okay, next thing I want to do is I bought some really cute little fall things to go behind me in my nail room. So I got these clear command hooks to hang this up with. Just want to make sure to work. It's hard to tell, but this is actually a glitter wall. It's textured, and so I'm not sure how well things will stick to it. So we will see how that works. But I need to make sure that I've got the right lengths and measurements to see where I need to put these hooks. Okay, so I got 2 of these little wreaths from Michael's. They are just little pumpkins and they're really cute, and I wanted to hang them from my wall. So it is much later. I had to go out and do a couple of things, and then because I hit my nail and it was lifting, it was really sore, so I wanted to take the length off, so I actually shortened all of my nails and did a cute little tortoiseshell design on them. But yeah, I've been doing so many things with my hands recently that having long nails right now, they just keep getting in the way, and it's just not super practical at the moment. So these are my natural nails, and I'm just gonna have them natural for a while. We'll let them grow out a little bit. But yeah, so wanted to go short. And then, so as you saw earlier, I did my little pumpkin garland, but I feel like it's looking a little bit plain, so I actually went back to Michael's and I got some more garland. So I haven't decided if I was going to kind of wrap this one around the pumpkin one, or if I was going to do like one kind of in the middle. So I'm leaning towards just doing one in the middle, because I think it would kind of tie everything together a little bit more. And if I wrap this around the pumpkins, well, you know what, let's try wrapping it around the pumpkins and see how it looks. I can always change it if I want. Okay, so I just put the other garland up, and I didn't wrap it around or anything, I just hung it up kind of underneath the pumpkins. But I like how this looks so much more. I think it's really cute, it's really festive, and I love it. For now, this is pretty much it. I just have to do the boring things like vacuuming and sanitizing, and then I'm ready for this week. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below what type of videos you would like to see from me next. I do plan on doing a nail studio tour, but I'm actually getting a new desk, so I kind of want to wait until I've got that done and have everything kind of where it is, because things will be changing soon. So, but yeah, thank you guys. See you in the next one. Bye!